Good evening and welcome to the 2026 Sacred Heart Cathedral School Auction and Gala. Tonight we're excited to share some groundbreaking developments at Sacred Heart Cathedral School that aim to transform the educational experience for students. That transformation includes the highly anticipated Little Eagles to 5th grade Smartlab. This innovative space will allow students to wonder, create, explore, and discover through hands-on learning experiences.
A Smartlab setting will allow students to use their problem-solving skills to kind of think outside the box, be more creative, and build some resiliency when things don't go the way that they plan. They can alter their plan and then try something new.
But that's not all. Sacred Heart is also significantly enhancing the middle school STREAM experience.
Our students are in an ever-changing world, and it's really important that we're able to provide them opportunities to really practice the skills that they're going to need in order to be successful further, especially in middle school and high school. So a STEM lab would provide opportunities for collaboration, for revising their thinking, for measurement skills, which they're all really weak in, and a chance to really practice the scientific process and the engineering process, which is really hard to do in our traditional 45-minute science classes.
Well, it adds that hands-on touch, right? I can talk about things in the night sky. I can talk about the invisible bacteria on whatever, but unless you can see it, unless you can, well, we won't actually be touching it, but unless you can have a physicality to those items, it's just not the same.
Imagine students exploring the universe with smart telescopes, studying life through interactive aquariums, witnessing new life through incubators, and diving into real rock and fossil collections that truly bring science to life.
I think the one thing that it really provides is it opens multiple doors for students to kind of enter the science world and shine at multiple levels. I think we need to think of the STEM lab as not just a room, but really an opportunity for kids to kind of grow in their scientific thinking, and really gives them a chance to try, fail, and try again, which is something that they all struggle with. So it's really going to help build resilience.
I love the robotics aspect of the STEM lab. I see students really grow in their ability to work with each other, kind of problem solve different ways that they can improve the code or change the code or simplify the code that they have in their robots. And I see that at the middle school level with the robotics class in middle school. So bringing that down to elementary school, we'll get those skills kind of honed at an earlier age so that they can take their robotics programming even further as they go through the middle school.
These resources are all about providing students with the tools, experiences, and confidence needed to think bigger, go further, and lead boldly. Tonight's fundraising event is crucial as every dollar raised will go directly towards transforming learning at Sacred Heart.
It's hard, particularly in middle school, to get that joy from a book. I know I love reading, but a lot of students, particularly with science, it doesn't translate. And until you get that physical experience, the tactile experience of seeing it yourself, you just really don't get that spark that can help you to move on through your career and become a scientist or whatever you want to be.
When you donate tonight, you are donating to a program that could really help benefit all students in our school. It would help not only the students but the teachers with the opportunities to make science a topic that really gets all kids excited. It gives them a chance to get their hands dirty and to really put their thinking, really challenges them to think more critically than we're able to do just in our 45-minute classes.
And if we exceed our fundraising goal, those additional funds will go towards the Faculty Bonus Fund to celebrate our dedicated teachers. This initiative is about fostering an enriching learning environment and ensuring that both students and educators can thrive together.
We have wonderful teachers. We have a lovely space. We have students that come in eager to learn. If they have more tactile things, if they have more things that they can just really get into and have a physical experience that they can take with them on to high school and farther, then that just instinctually you know that adds to the experience and adds to the real making of memories
As we gather tonight to support this remarkable vision, remember that your contributions are not just investments in a space, they're investments in the future of Sacred Heart Cathedral School.